Borax reacts with acids to form sparingly soluble boric acid. The meaning of the word sparingly is partly soluble. Properties of boron. Borax is basic in nature and its solution in hot water is alkaline as it dissociates into boric acid and sodium hydroxide. On heating, it forms a transparent borax beads. Borax, when treated with ammonium chloride, it forms boron nitride. Na2B4O7 plus 2NH4Cl gives 2NaCl plus 2Bn plus B2O3 plus H2O. Uses of borax. Borax is used for the identification of colored metal ions from the beads, what we have learnt previously. It is also used in the manufacture of optical and borosilicate glass, enamels and glazes for pottery. Glazes mean shining material. It is also used as a flux in metallurgy. We have learnt in the previous lesson that what is a flux. When flux combines with the gong, it forms a slag and also acts as a good preservative. Next topic is boric acid H3BO3 or BOH thrice. Preparation of boric acid. Boric acid can be extracted from borax and colemanite. Na2B4O7 plus H2SO4 plus H2O gives Na2SO4 plus H3BO3, which is your boric acid. Also from colemanite, which is Ca2B6O11 plus 11H2SO4 plus SO2 gives CaHSO3 twice plus 6H3BO3. It reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium metaborate to form also forms sodium tetraborate. Action of heat of boric acid H3BO3 when heated at 373 Kelvin, it forms HBO2, which is metaboric acid, and at 413 Kelvin it forms tetraboric acid. H2B4O7 is tetraboric acid. When it is heated up to red hot condition, it gives boric anhydride, which is a glassy mass which looks like a transparent glass. Reaction with ammonia. Fusion of urea with H3BO3 in an atmosphere of ammonia at 800 to 1200 Kelvin gives boron nitride. When boric acid or borate salt is heated with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and ester, trialkyl borate is formed. The vapor of this ester burns with green edged flame, and this reaction is used to identify the presence of borane in a substance. Here a small note. The trialkyl borate is on reaction with the sodium hydride in tetrahydrofuran to form a coordination compound NaBHOR thrice, which acts as a powerful reducing agent. Formation of boron trifluoride. CaF2 plus H2SO4 gives 2BOH thrice, which gives you CaSO4 plus BF3 plus H2O. Also Na2CO3 when borax is treated with soda ash. Soda ash is sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 plus BOH thrice gives Na2B4O7 plus carbon dioxide plus water. Na2B4O7 is borax. Now the structure of boric acid. It has a two-dimensional layered structure. It consists of unit and these are linked to each other by hydrogen bonds. It consists of BO3 3 minus units. You can refer the picture. Uses of boric acid. It is used in the manufacture of pottery glazes, glass, enamels and pigments. It is also an antiseptic and used as an eye lotion. It is used as a food preservative also. The next important topic in this P block element is diborane. Diborane. As we have discussed earlier, diborane can be prepared by the action of metal hydride with boron, which is used for industrial production. Diborane can also be obtained in small quantities by the reaction of iodine with sodium borohydride in diglyne. NaBH4 plus I2 gives B2H6 plus 2 NaI plus H2. On heating magnesium boride with HCl, a mixture of volatile boranes are obtained. Mg3B2 plus 12 HCl gives 6 MgCl2 plus B4 plus H10, which is your diborane. B4H10 is diborane plus H2. Diborane, when it is reduced with hydrogen, it forms B2H6, a splitted compound. Properties of diborane. Borane is usually colorless, diamagnetic compound which has low thermal stability, that is, it decomposes at very minimum temperatures. Diborane is a gas at room temperature and with a sweet smell, but it is extremely toxic. Toxic means poisonous. It is also highly reactive. Action of heat on diborane. At 388, we are taking it in a U-shaped tube, and at 388 Kelvin it forms B5H11. At 198 to 373 Kelvin it forms diborane B4H10, a combined. B2H6 at 373 Kelvin forms B10H14. At 473 to 523 Kelvin B5H9 is formed. B2H6 at 523 Kelvin forms B5H9, B5H10, etc. A combination of diboranes plus 11H2. B2H6 at red hot condition gives boron. Action of air on diborane. At normal room temperatures, pure diborane does not react with air or oxygen, but in impure form it gives B2O3 with the emission of large amount of heat, that is B2H6 plus 6H2O gives BH3BO3 and H2. The reaction is action of water. The same way B2H6 plus alkali like sodium hydroxide gives NaBO2 plus 6H2. Now action of air. B2H6 plus O2 gives B2O3 plus 3H2O, where it gives a large amount of energy with the delta H value is minus 2165 kilojoules per mole. Diborane reacts with methyl alcohol to give trimethyl borate. Next is hydroboration, one important reaction in this chapter. Diborane adds on to alkanes and alkynes in an ether solvent at room temperatures. This reaction is called hydroborane and it's used in synthetic organic chemistry, especially as anti-Markovnikov's addition. B2H6, here the example taken is alkene. 3RCH2 double bond CH2R gives BCH2CH2R thrice plus H2. Reaction with ionic hydrides. When treated with metal hydrides, it forms metal borohydrides. B2H6 plus LiH in ether, it gives LiBH4. B2H6 plus 2 NaH gives NaBH4. Reaction with ammonia.